In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log in Canva account. We'll start right in your web browser. In the address bar, type canva.com or search for it. Then open the official Canva homepage. Look toward the top right and click Login. This takes you to Canva's login page where you'll see a few ways to sign in. First, let's walk through the email method. Click Continue with Email. Type the email address associated with your Canva account and click Continue. Canva will immediately send a one-time login code to your inbox. Keep the Canva tab open so it's ready. Then switch to your email. Look for a message from Canva with your code. If you don't see it after a moment, refresh your inbox and check spam or promotions, just in case it was filtered. When the code arrives, copy it carefully, avoiding extra spaces, and paste it into the code field back on Canva. This verifies it's you and completes the login. These codes expire, so use it promptly, and for security, never share your code with anyone. This passwordless approach is designed to be quick and secure, so you don't have to remember another password. If you prefer to use an account you already stay signed into, try a connected sign-in option instead. On the login page, click Continue with Google. Continue with Facebook or another option shown there. A small pop-up window will appear. Choose the account you want to use, the one that's linked to your Canva profile. If your browser asks to allow the pop-up, permit it, so the window can open. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant permission. If you are not already signed in to that provider, you may be asked to confirm your identity there. Before continuing, once you approve access, the pop-up will close and you'll be signed in to Canva. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Always confirm you are on Canva. Com before entering any information. If you manage multiple profiles, double-check you've entered the correct email or selected the right account in the pop-up, so you land in the workspace you expect. If the code email is delayed, wait a moment, refresh. And keep the Canva tab open so you can paste the code as soon as it arrives. And if a pop-up doesn't appear, look for a notice in your browser's address bar to allow it for Canva. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.